Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Reenu Gupta, and your bulletin starts with some exciting tech updates you won't miss. First, Microsoft finally rolls out a controversial recall feature to Copilot Plus PCs, Sarvam AI to build India's first sounding LLM with the reasoning and voice capabilities. Japanese Nintendo fan test switched to ahead of launch and tariff wars. Sam Altman admits a ChatGPT 4's annoying behavior, promises a fix soon. WhatsApp too soon allows sticker reaction and enhance a chat privacy. Nothing CMS Phone 2 Pro launching it today. Samsung begins rolling out One UI 7 updates in India and more. So, in yesterday's quiz, the question was when was Perplexity AI started? And the answer is 7th December 2022. Now it's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of Perplexity? Confident got the answer? Drop it in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow's news bulletin if you need it. First, after a month of delays, a privacy concern, Microsoft has finally launched a recall and other AI feature like improved search and a click to do for search select Windows 11. In Copilot Places, a Navjot Break is corporate a vice president Windows experiences highlighted that the Windows continues to drive computing innovation. These features are available on the Snapdragon, Intel, and the AMD powered Copilot Plus PCs. Through some text actions, click to do are exclusive to Snapdragon models. Microsoft claimed the Copilot PCs delivered 13% faster performance than the MacBook Air, M4 and 5 times faster than a 5 years old Windows PC, then also boost excellent battery life, up to 22 hours of Windows and playback. Copilot Plus PCs initially launched its $999, but now started rupees $599 user now installed April 2025. Now, Bengaluru-based AI startup Sarvam AI has been chosen by the Government of India under the Indian AI Mission to build the country's first sovereign large language model LLM. Sarvam will develop the model from scratch, focusing on reasoning, voice capabilities, and fluency in multiple Indian languages, ensuring a secure and a large-scale development. Co-founder the Vivek Raghavan said the goal of to create AI that feel familiar to citizens and keep enterprise data within India. The ingenious model with the build of entirely in India using a local talent and infrastructure, boosting strategic autonomy and innovation. Sarvam AI developing three variants: Sarvam Large, Sarvam Small, and Sarvam Edge. Nintendo fans got an early chance to try out the new Switch 2 gaming console and event near Tokyo ahead of its official release despite concerns about potential price hike due to tariff from the Trump administration. Excitement remains high. Gamers lined up at the Marquee Mess to play titles from Mario Kart World and Donkey Kong Bonza. The original Switch has sold over 150 million units in 2017. The early signs show strong demand for a successor within 2.2 million lottery applications in a Japanese alone. Some like Yumena Yumanchi is lucky enough to ensure the spot. Nintendo is hosting handful events globally including New York, Berlin and Hong Kong. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has admitted that the ChatGPT 4.0 model has become the cyanogen why and annoying. Following recent updates, while they praised some improvements of Altman acknowledged user complaints and set fixes to rolling out this week. He also teased a future of options where user could choose a different AI personalities after the 4.0 model update. Many users on X noted that the chatbot starting sounding overly and agreeable and too nice. Altman responded agreeing with that the model glazes too much and a promise to fix. OpenAI plans to eventually share insight into the AI personally shifted and how they corrected it. Now let's talk about WhatsApp is working on a new feature that let users to react messages with sticker expanding beyond the current emoji reaction introduced in December 2024. According to the VA-Bits reports, these features will be available to both Android and iOS users. It will also allow users to select any sticker, including download or a third-party ones. The react to messages for media and offering for expressive and personalized responses. This update mirrors similar features already available on Instagram for iOS. Additionally, WhatsApp has introduced an advanced chat privacy feature, which enhances user protection and reconstruction or reacting like exporting a chat histories and saving a shared media and using messages in AI-driven interaction. Nothing is set to launch this CMS Phone 2 Pro in India today in 6:30 p.m. IST. The event will stream live up to CMF by Nothing in social media accounts and YouTube channel. Expected to be priced around 20,000, the CMS Phone 2 Pro is bring major upgrades including a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 and a Pro chipset, a triple rear camera setup, primary a 50 megapixel a telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide and dual tone back and a panel design. It also featured the new Essential key for quick access to app and media. The phone promises a large, bright display with a 120 FPS gameplay support and 1000 Hz touch response rate. Now, last Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 7 based on Android 15 in India, alongside select other markets initially available for the flagship models like the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The update brings in a major UI overhaul with the fresh design elements. User will notice a redesigned app icons, a revamped camera app, open for a open hand use for enhanced Galaxy AI feature. The quick panel now offers mega customization option including a dedicated volume slider. One UI 7 is also introduces the widgets, improved battery, health tools, and smoother animation from a more fluid user experience. Additionally, a refreshed lock screen, home screen widgets are now available. The update will gradually extend to the Galaxy S23 series and older models starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3. And that's a wrap for today's bulletin. Thank you for tuning today's bulletin. Follow IT Voice for more such tech updates.